We have seen different type of smart glasses somewhere in our life, like the eyeglasses which changes color when exposed to sunlight, or the coffee mug that becomes transparent from the temperature of hot water, or the darkness control of airplane window with the press of a button. But who would have thought the next public application will be a toilet? Technically, it is called the transparent toilet, the lantern toilet, or as I call it, the attraction toilet. I couldn't resist the temptation of this smart design and decided to visit myself. I was really amazed by the number of visitors there, mostly there to take photos and videos. Well, I was also there for the same purpose. Designed by Shigeru Ban, the Pritzker Prize winner architect, the transparent toilet is made of colored smart glass that turns opaque as the cubicle is locked. Not occupied, but when locked.
Now it's locked.
It has become a place of attraction for the visitors. Everyone wants to check the science out of this genius idea. The toilet is well cleaned. Once you are inside, it's tough to say is it frosted or not. The wall between cubicles is separated by mirror. Facility has a men's toilet, women's toilet and a multi-use one. Nippon Foundation has opened 5 facilities to public already and will soon start at 12 new locations around Shibuya. This is how the public toilet was at this location. At night these are dark and there is always a concern whether somebody is waiting inside. Second is the hygiene. Now the cleanliness of the facility can be checked just by a peek from the outside without having to walk inside or touch a thing. Let's understand the basic of smart glass. It consists of 7 layers. At each end there is a transparent glass made of silica. Left hand layer is positive electrode. Next to this is ion storage layer, then is electrolyte layer, and then is electrochromic layer, and then at last is the negative electrode. For it to work, we need a voltage source and a switch, and in this case the door lock acts as the switch. So when the switch is open or the door is unlocked, the electrochromic layer transmits the light. However, the moment we close the door, circuit is connected and the flow of ions starts and fills the EC layer with ions, which makes it frosted, and now all the light is reflected back. All 5 facilities that are started are in Shibuya. The one I visited is the Yoyogi Fukamichi Mini Park, just a minute walk from Yoyogi Koen station. Make sure to lock the door. Luckily the lady has a friend who helped her, otherwise she would have been all over the internet. At night, it is tough to see the sign, which one is for men and which one is for women. I guess that's the reason this guy is checking out the women's toilet. Well, the drunkards now need to be more careful before entering to throw up or whatever the matter they carry out inside. But clearly, this is an amazing application of science and accessible to public for free of cost. I hope you like this video. Please let me know about your comments in the comment section. This is Soul in Japan. Follow us on Instagram @MortalJapan. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for more interesting videos.